Hey everybody, this is Evan with the Graniac, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way I know how to make beef jerky. Going to be using an eye of round. This is going to be about 5 pounds once I cut it all down. So you need 5 teaspoons of salt, half of that of sugar, pepper to taste. And I got the gospel rub. You can use any rub, you can use any batch of seasonings you want. Make it your own. Then at the end there, I put in the pink stuff, the cure. That's 1/8 teaspoon per pound of meat. And for the eye, to make beef jerky out of it, you just need to trim off the fat. That's it. It's so easy. Quit paying $36 a pound at the store for beef jerky. I bought this eye of round for, I think it was $4.99, $5.99 a pound. And even if it shrinks to half weight, you're still only paying 12 bucks a pound. Honing up my knife, I'm cutting against the grain. I find it's a better bite, better chew with that. If you cut along the grain, you get your more traditional beef jerky. You gotta really gnaw at it. And then I do mix up water and low sodium soy sauce into my spices. I put that in first so the cure has a chance to hit all the meat, and then I put in my liquid smoke, because I'm going to be doing this in my dehydrator at 165 for 6 hours. You could put it in your oven at the lowest heat setting and just keep checking it. You don't even need to flip it. Look at that. That's gold. This is 5 pounds. It's going to shrink down to, maybe 3 pounds. That's $100 of beef jerky I'm putting in there. I think I spent $30 on this chunk of meat. Not even. So a little camera magic here. 6 hours is going to go by real fast. Bam, we're done. I put this in the morning before I went to work. As you can see, I just came home from work, checking it out. Has a nice bend to it, nice snap. That's done. This stuff turned out really good. I will be using the gospel seasoning again. This is the first time I've ever used that rub just to make jerky. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, do what you need to do. I'm going to save you some money. I've worked at a meat market for over 10 years.
Ship. Just go home.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Cooking this all day.
Appreciate you guys.
That was good.
And check out some of my other videos.
That's Meat Church. Anything, Rob?
Have a good day.
Turned out really, really good. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.